Hello, welcome to Eating King. What would you like to eat? You want anything, Bobo?
No, sir.
Okay, I would like a cheeseburger, a hamburger, a steak, a salad. Wait, cancel that order of salad. I'd like more fries. No, do I already say fries? Yeah, I want more fries. I want the large one that's as big as like a big popcorn container. And I'd like another cheeseburger. Yeah, no, actually make it 3 cheeseburgers plus 4, maybe 5. Yeah, 5. I like 5 cheeseburgers. That'd just be awesome. And I'd like
Sir, I'm afraid we don't have that much. We don't have that much food. Is it okay if you lower your order down a little bit, like maybe a little bit?
Would you like to say that again?
All your food is coming right now.
Get them going, chef.
Beep 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 beep. I'd like a cheeseburger. Beep 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 beep.
What? He's going to make my order go slower. Take him to the car, Django.
Yes, sir.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, that will be $3 million. Kill him, Bobo. Wait, you already. Oh, dude, I'm sorry. Dude, dude, I don't like this in it. Dude, you have to pay the bill. You have to pay the bill. Dude, you have to pay the bill. I'm just sorry. It's a way of eating king. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I took care of that guy. Now we take the food and run. Hey, wait. Did you eat it? Yeah. Oh my gosh. You need to go on a diet. No one says that to me. God, this job sucks.